Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how you can password protect every file inside USB pen drive. So, without any further delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link in the video description too, so you can click there too. And once you log into this website, as you can see on this desktop section, you can see here USB secure. Just click on it and you will get this website pages. So here you can see a free version and a full version. So you can try the free version first, and if you like and want the pro version level, then you can buy the full version once you are satisfied with the software. As I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So you download it and install it. As I've downloaded and install it, so you install it. Once installation is done, go to the folder where you have downloaded this software. As you can see, I've downloaded the software earlier. Now just double click or right click and open it. Just double click it and you can see here USB secure works in there. So it's showing that I have not plugged in any USB pen drive. So right now I will be plugging my USB pen drive in my computer. Once you plug in your USB pen drive, so click on the refresh. So you can see here it's auto detected. Now click on accept. Now here it's showing my pen drive name, so it's G drive. Now what you need to do is click on install. So the software is being installed in my pen drive. So what you need to do next is click yes. Now you need to put a password here. Put your desired password depending upon your needs. And confirm the password again by typing it. And once done, click done. And click on the lock USB device. So now your pen drive is totally secure to lock files. So let me show you. Just click this close button first and we'll go to this PC and we'll enter to the pen drive. Double click this USB secure again. So it will ask for to enter your password. So how you can password protect any files that you will be loading in your USB pen drive. So let me give you a small example. Say you can see here I have one file. Say this is a document file. Is what's written I'll be showing you. So there is a word written under it. So what I'll do, I'll just drag on this pen drive. So it's not locked, right? Okay, what you need to do is first you need to double tap this USB secure, unlock it by putting your password, click OK. Now you can see now on the below here you will get this one, select and unselect. So tap on it. Now you will see this file that is unprotected. So select it and click on the lock. So it's protected now. So let's try to open this file. So it's asking for a, so cannot find a file. So you'll not be able to view what's written inside it. So let's move back and try it. So the file is being stored inside the USB secure drive. So let's unlock it and try to view that file. Click OK. Let's click this one this time, view log files. So it's being unlocked now. So you can see what's written inside the file. So in my opinion, it's very good if you want to log any files inside your USB pen drive. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.